You've probably seen QR codes slapped on menus, business cards, and even probably snacks. What if I told you one small tweak, changing the QR type, increased my email leads by over 90%? Look, this isn't a gimmick, it's a game changer. Let me show you how you can turn every scan into a powerful lead. Most businesses use QR codes to direct customers to a website or a landing page. Sounds fine, right? But here's the issue. People scan and then they leave. They don't want to fill out a form. They don't want to hunt for your email address. Even small delays equal drop-offs. And when I realized how many leads I was losing because of this friction, I knew I had to try something different. Instead of linking to a website, I created an email QR code. When scanned, it automatically opens up a pre-filled email with my email address in the to field, with the subject that I select, and a message already in the body. All the customer has to do is hit send, and they're done. No forms, no logins, and no waste of time. I've seen a 90% increase in email submissions just for making the process smoother. Let me tell you why this works. There's actually science behind this. It's called reduction friction. Studies in marketing psychology shows that the less effort a customer has to make, the more likelihood they will follow through. It's why one-click buying works on websites. It saves the customer time and effort. And it's exactly why this email QR code works. Want to try this for your business? Here's how. Use a QR code generator that supports mail to email links. I will leave a list of free online QR code generators in the description of this video. And when creating the ER QR code, all you need to know is your business email address to send to, the subject that you want the email to be, and add clear text in the body of the email for what this email is for. Then take that QR code and print it on signs, thank you cards, and even your packaging. But here's a bonus. You can even set up an auto-reply looking for the subject of the email that's in the QR code to thank your customers for scanning and sending an email in. Since switching to this type of QR code, I've gotten more leads, faster responses, and better engagement. So if you're using QR codes the old way by redirecting your customers to a website, expecting them to fill out a form or to send your email that way, try this new way. You will be surprised how this small change can lead to big results. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use an email QR code in your business.